Alright, today we got Spencer here from New York. We're going to be doing a little peacock, largemouth, hopefully a clown knife fishing here in southeast Florida. You ready, Spencer?
Yeah.
Hopefully we can get on them, catch a few big ones. We'll see. Staying down. Put one foot on your pedal and push all the way forward. Oh no, it's big. It's a very large mouth. Better than the other one.
Can't remember the last time I caught one of them.
10 pounders all the time. Go ahead and hold them up. What do you think? As good as New York? Lunker.